Hey guys, welcome back. So new renders of Moto S30 Fusion has been shared by Evan Blas. It's believed that this is indeed the Moto S30 Pro that was unveiled earlier this month for the Chinese market. So a wider release under different name might happen anytime soon. This model is codenamed Tundra, which was the name used in a Geekbench result that surfaced online and confirmed the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset. Yes, it's Snapdragon 888 Plus based smartphone, not 8 Plus Gen 1, and that's the reason for that. The Moto S30 Pro aka H30 Fusion is a more affordable alternative to the X30 Pro. It will likely be offered with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage. It comes with premium 6.55-inch 144Hz curved OLED display with all the bells and whistles. The handset is expected to pack a triple camera setup on the back with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera unit with autofocus for the macro option, and a 2-megapixel sensor. The front of the phone will likely include a 32-megapixel camera, which is accommodated inside the punch hole cutout at the center. Another noteworthy spec is the 4400 mAh battery with 68W fast charging, which charges from 0 to 50% in 10 minutes. On the software side of things, the H30 Fusion will come with Android 12 out of the box. The phone also features dual speakers, a VC liquid cooling system, and an in-display fingerprint reader. Connectivity-wise, the handset will offer features such as 5G SA and NSA, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and NFC. The Moto Edge S30 is available in black and blue color options, the latter of which features a fox leather finish, so expect this to be the case for the global market as well. The Moto H30 Fusion will replace the Moto H20 Fusion, which made its debut in India's sub 20k market the previous year. So that's it, that's all for this video. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.